Good afternoon, everyone. My name is William Smith with eRealty Advisors. My phone number is 914-420-1974. This is a one-bedroom, one-bathroom rental in Rolling Hills. We're asking $1,800 a month. Give me a call if you're interested in taking a look. It's 914-420-1974. It's got a huge living room. Everything's new carpet, new paint, updated bathrooms, kitchen. It's very close to the park and ride, Washingtonville schools. If you have any questions, just give me a call, 914-420-1974. All right, have a great day.